Hey everybody, it's Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to triple crochet. So first, I'm going to make a slip knot and chain on a certain number. I'll chain on 5. So you don't have to single crochet the first row, but I like to do that. So I'll just single crochet across the bottom. And the reason I like to do that is just because it makes it easier to do a more complicated stitch when you have the regular stitch that you're going to be going in and out of. So when you get to the end of your row, you're going to want to chain 3. So that will count as your first triple crochet. So you'll have 1 on your hook, and then you'll want to yarn over twice, and then insert your hook into the base chain from this here. So you're going to insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, and then you'll have 4 loops on your hook. And then you're going to want to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to do that a few more times. You're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again, pull through with 4 loops left on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we'll do that 2 more times here to finish up the row. So you're going to yarn over twice, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So as you can see, the triple crochet creates a lot of height. So if this is the single crochet down here, this is the triple crochet. So it can make a project go very fast, but it also leaves big holes, so you want to be mindful of that as well. So thanks for watching this video on how to triple crochet.